Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Michael, and then 5 ways to make money online and from this platform that is guaranteed, and I'm going to explain to you guys. I'll walk you guys through on how you can make money in this bear market in cryptocurrency and forex trading. This is what this company is all about. And then if you're new to this channel guys, kindly like, subscribe, comment, and then bell icon to get notified whenever I drop a new video. That is why you need to do that, because there are a lot of information that will be passing out on this channel based on this program and other affiliate and other program that we can actually make money for yourself. If you are new here, we welcome you once again, and old subscribers, you are the VIP, and I say thank you so much for watching. So now we have 5 ways to earn. One is direct bonus. Direct bonus is the 10% instant bonus of all packages bought by your downline you invite. 2, we have network bonus. Validus gives you 10% bonus funds invested in your team at the weaker leg. Now you get 10% of your sales, team sales, whether you have somebody, whether you brought that person or not, but it's as a team sales under your tree, you'll be given 10%. Meaning for the leg of 100,000 and the other one is 200,000 this week, next week you will receive 10% of 100,000, which is $10,000, and then you subtract 100 from 200, you have 100 left. So the next week will be zero, and the other leg will be $100,000. That is those who are fully into affiliate marketing. This is where they are making hell of money on this platform as well. Now, team reward bonus. Validus says you can not earn more than 500 times of your capital, even as a team builder. Hence, when you are reach 500, you will need to buy a package. Your upline will also get 10% reward. This is for those to this is for the sustainability and preservation of this company. Now, team reward bonus. That is team reward bonus. As you buy package, if you are building, you have a team. Let's say you have structures that is building currently well, and now you need to earn 500%. The company is saying now you go back again, you rebuy the package again, and what do? When you rebuy your package, your upline benefit by when you rebuy your package. That is what this is all about. I'm going to do it in the PTDF file after this. Now, the metrics residual, you will need to purchase $5,000. There's a condition to this. $5,000 package. That's what you need to purchase to maximize this metrics seat. Now, $5,000 package, and also sponsored a direct team of $15,000. So if you have a team that has done $15,000 and your package must be $5,000, right here you will earn $1 for qualifier metrics team member. Also, you are qualified to earn 780 US 87 USDT max. That is one of the ways. Now, number 5 is passive 30. I call this my pension. For every team builder, every 30% of your bonus are kept aside. So instead of giving you have made 10%, and it's time to make good. They take 30% out of what you have made, keep it aside for you. Then you make another 10% on that money as it's trading for you aside your packages. So after 13 months, then you're giving back with a bonus of 300%. Guys, these guys are ready to do business. Let me walk you guys to the PTDF right now. They are ready for business. I may say, in all of what I've said now, this is it. And I want to just break it down now so you can understand better. So this is it. You have 10% here on all packages paid instantly. 10%. Now I'll do the graph now. So if you do that 10%, now this is your team currently, and this is what your team is doing. So now you will need, you can see the structure here, that is network bonus I'm talking about now. 2 and you have another 2 here, and those two have their 2. Week 1 bonus is 100, 200 like I said before. A bonus of 100. So week 2 they will subtract that 100 out of this 200, and you have here another, you have another 100 here. Then your 10% comes in here and paid every Thursday. This 10% is paid every Thursday. You understand now? So it's paid every Thursday. It's not something that no, you get paid based on this on every Thursday. I'm earning from this as well too. So that is it for that. And then we move to the 5x percent. The 5x percent gives you the power to leverage maximally with this platform. Now, maximum earning potential 500% Validus pool plus compensation plan or 60 weeks license. To continue earning packages with automatically renewal of this, you will need to need them. For each renewal in your downline, you will get 10% again. Anybody that renews in your team, you get 10%. So your earning is infinity. Infinity is your earnings. So this is what we call team renewal bonus. You earn unlimitedly from this platform. So that is just how to earn here. Then the metrics residual income, I will explain now. So the metrics residual income works this way. It says earn $1 from each member. You can see it here. From each member. This is the levels, and this is the possibility of what you can earn. You can earn about 78,007. That is almost $700,000 you can earn from this. There are people who does a lot of affiliates, who understand what affiliate marketing means. There are those that understand how this structure actually works. They will maximize it and make a lot of money from it. This only one company metrics which is qualified. Members will be automatically placed left to right, top to bottom. If you have this kind of structure, this is what they are saying. So only this place that you can actually get this on any metrics. I'm telling you, any metrics. So this is one of the ways to earn. Now you said you must directly sponsor a $15,000. Me, I've done that already, and this platform. My package is not much, but I've done that. I'm increasing it as I earn from what I have currently and my passive debt and all of that. I still put it back to this system because I want system to sustain, and I believe the system will not last. And this is it. Now you have passive 30, like I explained before. This is how their passive 30 works. Like I explained before, this is how it works. You can see from the diagram here now. So if you have 10, let's say you have $7,000 here, active wallet, you have 3,000 in passive wallet. This will summon everything to $10,000. 30% of extra in 13 months. So if I zoom, I'm going to zoom this now. So benefit from the growth of our team in both short term and long term. So this is, you are paying yourself. As long as this company exists, you keep paying yourself for life. I'm telling you, this is what they are saying now. So monthly bonuses for $10,000 passive. That is $10,000 passive. You earn 300. You earn 300, 300, 300 for the 13 months. So what you have earned on this 300 here for the 13 months will amount to 3,900. 3,900 for a package of $10,000. You understand now? So if you keep this money with them, so people have earned about $30,000 from affiliate plus every as a team builder on this platform. Now this is what you earn every month. It's not something without doing anything. Your package money is going. This is going for you, and at the end of it, 30% extra is what you earn at the end of every month. Withdrawal payments are done through Bitcoin. Withdrawal fee is 5%. Withdrawal procedures is up to 48 hours. That is approximately 2 days. And this is their rank and reward. So guys, Validus is here to say stay, and I'm telling you, I'm not a financial advisor, but I'm telling you, if you go and do your research very well, you understand these people behind these guys. They have integrity and they have done great businesses in the time past in companies that are real. And that's what I'm telling you today, to plug in and let's enjoy this ride. If you are new to this channel, guys, I'm very glad to hear from you. Why want to pick up one of our packages? These are packages. We have 8 packages in Validus, and each of them guarantees you a 300 to 500% return. We have package 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. As you can see here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 packages. And as you do that, I have a video that explains each of the packages in dollars and in naira for those in Africa and those in Nigeria that want to participate. To get on board, my link is going to be in the description of this video, and I'm very glad to hear from you. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video, guys. Bye.